Oh, cut it down, baby.
Oh, baby lost a puppy. Mama saved the baby. All better.
Oh. Hi there, Eric. How are you, my baby? I love you too, my baby, very much. That's right. Oh, cut it out. You're right. You're right.
Why is the baby being so fussy? Aww. Are you hanging out with Grandpa and Cousin Eric?
She said we. Yeah, that means that this baby's going to talk quick.
Do you see her, Mama?
She'll have a voice quick. And this guy's going to be standing up quick. He's probably already trying, right?
Yeah, he tries to stand. Is that your cousin?
Eric, wave to the camera.
Look at Auntie.
Eric.
Baby. Wave to the camera, baby.
Hi. There's no smiles today.
Wave to the camera,
Yeah.
baby.